amenities, a grand clubhouse, fitness center, lounge areas, playgrounds, and a swimming pool. It will be built right on top of this area where our event is. Isn't that amazing? What more can you ask for? And the best part is, this clubhouse will allow all the residents to enjoy the majestic views. Tingnan po natin. Punta po ang mga tingin ninyo sa Laguna Dibay. Ang magiging view.
Yes.
And golf course here on the right side. So I'm sure you guys are so excited to sell this already because isn't this just amazing and wonderful and very exciting. And once again, it is my pleasure and honor to introduce to you Binamona's Crown Jewel, Aurelia Ridge.
Aurelia? Oh my gosh! Pangalan ng nanay ko.
Message mo ako, hi Kam.
Dapat pangalan ko na lang Amelita. Ito yan. Yung brochure. Aurelia. Yeah.